Amon's been hanging next door, and I didn't know that he was actually going to buy vegetables from my neighbors who are farmers. And he bought these. He wants to turn these into gherkins. And these, you just want to keep them as cucumbers for salad and for munching on.
Yeah.
Because these ones are bigger. Gherkins, usually you use smaller.
So I want to do gherkins with these. And then I want to do the sweet pickled stuff. I don't know why, since I don't eat sweet things. But not yet. The curry.
Oh, you want to do the curried one because you cut them into slices.
slices.
Ooh, I love those.
Yeah, those are
It's
nice.
one of those things that when Amon makes, I'm like, can I start eating them? And he's like, no, you're supposed to eat them when it's no longer.
When they're no longer in season.
As well as the mountain of green beans. You also want to pickle the green beans.
Yes, I want to do some
Curried beans.
Yeah.
So we've got this top secret recipe. If you have been watching us from the beginning, Vicky, watch more. You're making noise. I didn't call all the dogs now. If you've been watching us from the beginning, we've made this a few times, but I know that we've got new subscribers who may have never seen it. However, the recipe is a friend family recipe that she doesn't share with anybody, and when she gave it to us, we promised that we wouldn't share. So we're not going to show you the process, but we will show you the pickled stuff. Are you gonna make like plain gherkins?
Yeah, this plain.
Oh, we've got the plain gherkins already.
No, these are not plain actually. These are a bit of chili.
Okay, bring them here.
So these are chili.
You put some chili in the gherkins?
Yeah.
When did you make them? I don't recall you making gherkins.
When you're not there, I'm not happy with the chili.
When I was being bought.
Yeah.
Guys, Amon is the talent in the kitchen. Again, if you're watching us for the first time. Amon is skilled in cooking. Amon, you drop that bottle. He's like holding this big bottle with fingertips. So this originally had what you call pickled cucumbers, and when they got finished, we've used this bottle before to make apple cider vinegar, and now he's made some more gherkins. That plate is like really messing up my view. I don't know why it got left behind while I was washing dishes. Anywho, pickled. Even ours are sweet and sour. Hey.
No,
Not this one.
Not this one. I just made a sour one. Because I didn't put a sugar.
Oh.
Yeah, and then this is the chili one.
This one has got a bit of heat. Okay, why are they looking whitish inside the bottle?
It's the salt.
The salt.
I didn't wash the salt. And I'm not going to salt these ones.
Okay. Is that going off?
I should not be eating. It's nice though.
But why is this soggy like this?
Because it's hollow inside. Let me try that one. Yeah, this one is okay.
Cut, let me see. They're all hollow. Oh, what?
They're not supposed to be hollow. Okay, it's two of them.
Okay. Can I have a bite?
Oh yes. Oh yeah, nice.
Can cut for me this. I don't want the whole thing.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice.
It's delicious.
It's nice.
Ooh, my taste buds
But it's not supposed to be hollow.
I have just responded with joy.
Oh, I'm not happy with that. Let me see. So the problem is this sort of okay. This one is okay.
Okay. But can you slice for me this one? I want to see why is this part darker. Has it lost the crunch?
No, it's still crunchy. You feel it, but it wasn't in deep vinegar.
Oh, it wasn't in deep vinegar.
Yeah.
And they're actually quite nice, the chili ones. They got flavor. Can you cut me half?
They're nice.
Amon brings food when we are fasting.
I make food when I'm fasting.
I don't know why you like to do that.
It's occupying myself.
Occupying yourself with temptation. It's still crunchy. And then Amon comes blessed with fat cakes from the neighbor's house. So I've been saying to Amon, I've been missing Diphaphatha, which is Botswana flat bread. If you don't know what Diphaphatha is, I'm going to put a link in the description below. We've done a video on Diphaphatha. But anyway, as I was saying that, he was saying he misses this. So he tells me when I was coming from Bots, I came carrying a little plastic bag of snacks. And he thought I was bringing fat cakes. And he said when he saw the little plastic bag, he was like, yes, she's brought fat cakes. The big round fat cakes that you get at the supermarkets. Shout out to Pop In. If you grew up anywhere near Lesedi Primary School, if you are from Bots, you know that the OG place that started selling the big round fat cake is Pop In. And now other shops have followed suit. Like people used to come from all over Gabs to come and buy fat cakes at Pop In when I was at primary school. Pop In was just next to our primary school. But anyways, no, I didn't think so. I didn't bring the fat cakes. And this morning, Amon was just this morning we were talking, and I was saying I miss Diphaphatha, and he was saying he misses fat cakes. And just this morning, he was at the neighbor's house, and he's like, guess what? God has answered my prayer. But he is breaking the fast in the evening, so he's going to have this in the evening. Amon, isn't that a lot of salt when they drink too much? I don't remember this part. When you do the pickles, you salt them to dehydrate them, no?
Yeah.
So that they maintain a crunch even after they are pickled.
And just giving them that flavor as well. That salty flavor inside. But so what you're going to see here afterwards is that a lot of water is going to be drained out. So what we're going to do is a lot of water is going to be drained out, and then you run it under a running tap. You rinse it under a running tap to wash the salt out. Do you about equivalent or half of that in onions?
We need another half of this in onion.
Yeah.
While I was distracted, Amon was preparing more pickles. Amon enjoys pickling, but I was just giving him a hard time right now because whenever he's got stomach issues and I say eat a pickle, he doesn't eat. He enjoys to make, but he's too lazy to open the bottle to eat.
No, I normally love to use them for...
I know you like to use them for salads.
For salads, yeah.
But when your stomach is not well, pickles are good. They're good for gut health. And then I'll be like, I have to repeat myself every day. Amon, go and get a pickle. Amon, go and get a pickle.
A bit of balsamic vinegar.
He has put a little balsamic vinegar and put white vinegar on top. You don't have to do that because he's just being extra.
No, you can. What balsamic vinegar does, it's got this...
I know you want the flavor.
Yeah.
It does have a nice flavor. But isn't that the extra of it?
Wanting nice flavor is extra. Otherwise, it won't be in vinegar. Onions with crushed pepper.
Black pepper.
Black pepper, American pepper.
American pepper.
Okay.
We like the flavor of American pepper. But this particular one, Amon, the granules are too big. It's grown.
Yeah.
They're too big. It's like you can't add it to uncooked food and have it be nice. You know what I mean?
Really?
I don't enjoy it.
Really, I enjoy it.
On uncooked food.
Mm.
It's like you feel the thickness inside your mouth.
Mm.
This is how much water the salt had squeezed out of the cucumbers. And water makes pickles to rot, and that's why you dehydrate whatever it is that you're pickling. So Amon is draining the water some more.
On a running tape.
And okay, you're gonna run it.
Yeah, so that will wash away all the excess salt.
Run it under the tap to wash off excess salt.
Mm.
No, I'm just laughing that simultaneously you're making pickles, the onion pickles on the other side.
Which ones? This one? No.
Oh, this is for the same pickles.
Yeah.
Ah, d'accord.
No,
The onion pickles are.
Yeah. The onion pickles, you want this size, about this size, and they have to be hard and firm like this one.
The small ones.
Mm. I love them. They make a salad just taste. It's like a secret ingredient in your salad.
Yeah, it does. And sandwiches
And
as well.
sandwiches too. Talking about that, we've got bread. It's like we live like we're fasting. You know,
We've been forgetting to eat even when we're not fasting. The only time we remember to eat is in the evening. So, anyways, I need to tackle the house and pick up excess leaves and peels. And today we had to cancel the children's meeting. We're supposed to resume today because of the weather. Guys, we've had good rains and we're so happy for it.
So today's been a pickling day. So we have pickled this much.
Oh, I'm coming. Has it been a pickling day or pickling week?
Yeah.
These have recently been pickled.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and do as much as we can to pickle some cucumbers, because what happens is we want to pickle.
Hold on. Start.
We want to pickle as much as we can. So what happens is, in rain season or this season, there's abundance of a lot of things. And normally it's the pickling time. There's abundance of greens.
Normally it's the pickling time. It's not everybody who pickles.
Those who pickle, they know.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot of fresh green beans.
Yeah.
And a lot of cucumbers will be doing well because of the rains. So that's the time where you want to pickle. And then you want to start eating them off season when they're no longer in season. So right now we'll be eating the fresh ones. And then if it's off season, and then you start to eat.
I was thinking you should teach them next door how to pickle.
Yeah.
Our neighbors farm a lot.
A lot, that's true.
So they dried the green leafy vegetables. I was thinking this is another way of preserving that they don't know how to do.
Yeah.
So next, Amon is filling these up. This is the syrup. So it says a little olive oil. It didn't put the amount, and so that's what he's using to fry. Next is the green beans. They are ready to make green bean curry pickle. I had to say that slowly in my head. Guys, I wasn't really doing what you call
a video.
I wasn't doing a tutorial and I keep forgetting to record because I'm cleaning the house. But anyways, Amon has started with cooking the onion, and then now he cooks the green beans with the onion, and they must be soft but not overcooked. They still need to maintain a crunch, right? And then after this, he's gonna cook the sauce and then mix them.
So the sauce is already made.
Oh.
Baby. All I have to do is to thicken it up. Yes, this is the sauce. 2 cups.
Oh, the sauce is made but needs to be thick.
I have to thicken it up.
Okay.
And curry it more.
And then, yeah. So I'm going to link the 2 recipes in the description below. One for the curried bean pickle and the other one for the curried cucumber pickle. So this is the thing just mixed together. It's just gonna come to a boil and then it will be time to bottle it. This is the right consistency because when you put them in your sauce, the beans are not supposed to sink to the bottom, eh?
Yeah.
That's exactly how they stay in the bottle. So well done, Ami. I taught you well. I joke.
This is the yummy stuff that 𝐂𝐲 doesn't want it to cool down. She wants to eat it while it's freshly bottled today.
Not today. Usually after Amon has finished bottling, whenever we're eating rice and these things are there, I'll be like, Ami, can we eat? And he's like, nope. They're really quite nice. So these and the pickled cucumber. Ooh, Ami, did you see what I nearly did? I knocked it with my elbow and it tilted a bit. Anywho, them and this, they're nice with rice, but we particularly love it like if you're doing what do you call? If you're doing a braai and then you have it on the side and then you have all your savory food. So this is sweet and savory at the same time. So it adds that little bit of sweetness. I love it. And that's kind of how Afrikaans people like to cook their food. I'm just spotting cows next door. That's how Afrikaans people eat their food. They like to always have the sweet on the plate with the savory. Like they'll do, like there's a banana something pudding, something that they do. And there is they have a curried peaches and what is the other one that I ate? They have this pumpkin pie thingy that is sweet. That like when you eat their braais, they'll have with the food. So the Africans do like to have sweet and savory on one plate, not necessarily the sweet being the dessert. But yeah, but we got this off the internet. So these are the preserves that have been achieved this week. We've got the gherkins made with cucumber, flavored differently from each other. We've got the onion. This time Amon did something that he usually doesn't do. He put a tot of balsamic vinegar. And then you've got the sweet and sour curry. What is it? Cucumber that's curried cucumber that's pickled, right? And then you've got the curried bean pickle, and you've got more there. And these chilies were made earlier in the week. These 2 chilies earlier in the week. And Amon's hobbies, guys, are messy. My hobby is to clean, so I'm cleaning just in case someone is wondering why am I not pickling. It's Amon's hobby. My hobby is to clean up after Amon. We're enjoying the homemade biltong of the other day.